Guys, good morning. See, may blessing silang kano guys. Thank you very much Lord. But I don't know guys what time the typhoon, super typhoon passed by already guys. But my place not very strong the wind. Okay. Look, oh, wow. Okay, what's up? Lahat na. Ooh. Ah. So dyan, nakuna natin guys yung hangin guys. Lumakas yung ano dito. Kasi I don't know what time the typhoon is coming guys. I heard the last night. See? Pinag-inita niya talaga guys yung kahoy na yan guys. Ang ganyan ng activities dito sa amin Kalangkanuwa guys. But in the sky, the wind very strong. Lucky guys kasi the wind that wind down only in the top. Yung activities dito kasi ang hangin, but look at my yung ano ko guys, natumba na rin. Ilang wind talagang concrete yung kahoy nga sabi nila piki pala yan guys. Yun na guys, mamaya wala na. Binuksan ko tong bintana ko simulang alas 5 kasi run out 1 o'clock already, run out na dito guys. And the wind sometimes very strong, sometimes not strong. Yan yung activities dito guys. Only the side, the wind. But still nothing power. See, but in the sky guys, very strong the wind. See. May activities dito guys. Paano na? Palabas na ito. At least mayroon tayong activities. Yun na nga, yung pagkuha ko ng video nito ng yesterday, Monday. Expected ko na guys itong mga kawin to guys, mag-flying lahat. Maging clean up. But still there. Yeah, that's why I bring yesterday. Because maybe may mango we have flower already guys, and we can meet too. Almost no more. But the sky is very strong, the wind. Lucky the wind is in the top, not going down. Right? So maybe before she's going to Kalangkanuwa, he ate first the mantaputsaw, gualuray, before coming the Kalangkanuwa. Right? Yan ang activities ang type ngayon ni what's this? Guys, ayan mo guys, dito banda sa kabila, yun There. See, look at the sky, guys. Very strong. Pero, dito banda, guys. See? Look at the sky, guys. Ayan. See, we have already the little bit. The sun come out little bit, guys. See, silence again. Again, it's coming again. Again, coming. There. But the rain a little bit only, guys. Almost. I don't know if I pick up my wife, guys. Maybe like 3 o'clock. I know my wife what time finish work. Yeah, there. Yeah, it's down again. See, look, guys. Oh. Customer like you, guys. The wind is in the back. Oh. This is up and on, guys. I take you like 10 minutes, guys. There again. See? See, look. Okay, done again, guys. See, the bird. Where are you hiding, bro? Yun. Ay, very good because it's typhoon already moving, but in the sky, look, guys, so very strong. See? Lucky in the wind, only in the top, not down. Alright. At least silang kanuma typhoon, guys. That's it. Okay. Only in the back, guys, the wind is very strong. But this side not strong. My place, but the problem inside we have power now. Power cut off. You look again. For in YouTube, niya that one, guys, flying everything. Himik yung lugar namin, guys. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you soon. God bless sa lahat. Ingat. Kasi ang the strong typhoon now in the Sanruki. Yeah, it's the open that one. Now it's raining a little bit, guys. Open. See you soon.